Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage out of mode for your RAZER Opus X. You have to start by opening the application and now go to the settings at the right top. And right here I have auto standby, click on it, and now by default we have 5 minutes, and after that time your headphones will turn off. So you can increase it to 15, 13, 45 or 1 hour, or you can turn off this mode and it will never turn off until your headphones run out of power. So just click on the best one for you. I'm going with turn off this mode, I don't need it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.